sheep, sheep. The SH sound is very similar to the S sound, but when you make the S sound, your tongue is at the top of your mouth. S. To make the SH sound, you basically do the same thing, but you let your tongue come down and you just relax. I'm going to start with the S sound and then drop my tongue to make the SH sound. To make the CH sound, your tongue starts in the same place that it starts when you make the T sound, at the top of your mouth, touching your teeth a little bit. When your tongue is up, touching your teeth, it's blocking the air, so the air cannot come out. Then you let your tongue down quickly, and all of the air comes out.